Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss a fascinating topic: how to find unlimited sources of inspiration to keep your motivation burning. Constant and sustained motivation is key to achieving our goals. In this video, we will explore ways to find unlimited sources of inspiration that will keep our motivation alive. Let's get started. The first step to finding unlimited sources of inspiration is to look within yourself. As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, the ability to find inspiration comes from the courage to listen to the voice within ourselves. What excites you? What are your core values, interests, and true aspirations? By understanding ourselves, we can tap into unlimited sources of inspiration that will continuously fuel our motivation. Unlimited sources of inspiration can be found all around us, whether in nature or in everyday life. As Albert Einstein expressed, the true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. Observe the beauty of nature, the wonders of life, and the inspiring stories happening around you. From there, we can find unlimited inspiration that ignites and motivates us. One effective way to find unlimited sources of inspiration is through reading books and consuming inspirational content. As Charlie Tremendous Jones said, "You will be the same person in 5 years as you are today, except for the people you meet and the books you read." Read inspiring books, follow positive content on social media, and discover inspirational figures who provide new insights and continuous motivation. The people around us can be an unlimited source of inspiration. As Jim Rohn stated, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Surrounding ourselves with inspirational individuals who have high spirits and goals positively influences us. By interacting with them, we can learn from their experiences, gain fresh perspectives, and strengthen our motivation. Technology can also be a useful tool in finding unlimited sources of inspiration. With broad access to the internet and social media, we can easily discover inspirational content. As Steve Jobs said, "Technology is the most powerful tool ever created by humanity. It can change our lives." Utilize technology to find podcasts, videos, blogs, and other inspirational platforms that can fuel our motivation. In this video, we have explored ways to find unlimited sources of inspiration and keep our motivation burning. As Maya Angelou once said, "You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have." So, let's search for inspiration within ourselves, observe the wonders of nature and everyday life, read books and consume inspirational content, surround ourselves with inspiring individuals, and utilize technology to find inspiration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.